The small, bald DDS Mangkanor is caught red-handed again, spreading lies and fake news. Yes, we're referring to that disgustingly bald and aging DDS icon, Mangkanor, ng SMNI fake news, Jay Sonsa. Huling-huli na naman siya sa isa sa mga latest niyang Facebook posts na nagpapakalat ng doctored o altered photo. Although Sonsa didn't mention any name in his post, his very gullible Duterte fanatic followers instantly assumed he was referring to First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, na siya raw ang babaeng nasa edited na photo. In his post, which gained over 5,000 reactions and 703 shares, Sonsa said, "Humihingi po ako ng dispensa sa lahat ng nakasubaybay dito sa aking pahina. Hindi ko mapagbibigyan ang inyong kahilingan na kilalanin ang sinasabing Filipina na bitbit ng mga pulis ng LAPD, Beverly Hills North Police Division." So basically, he's insinuating that this unnamed woman is someone his followers are already familiar with. Then he added more intriga to fuel his followers' imaginations. Mayroon po siyang kahawig sa pangangatawan, kilos at paglalakad, pero hinihintay ko iyong official na tugon ng mga may kapangyarihan sa Los Angeles County sa tunay niyang pagkakakilanlan. He ended his post by saying, "As soon as we get this information, we will most definitely share it with you. Thanks." Really? Everything he posted is fake news. He has no real information, and he knew all along that what he shared was misinformation. First of all, the cops in the photo are not from the LAPD Beverly Hills North Police Division. So bakit niya kailangang banggitin ang Beverly Hills? Simple, para i-connect ito sa dati niyang fake news about the supposed death of Filipino businessman Paulo Tantoco and First Lady Liza. In truth, the officers in the photo are Capitol Police, and the woman being escorted is Georgia State Senator Nikema Williams. Pangalawa, sa mismong photo na pinost ni Sonsa at pinakalat ng mga DDS, halatang doctored at blurry. May caption pa sa ilalim, "Finish na! Grabe na to!" As if may naarestong Filipina sa kasong katiwalian. Pero ang totoo, puro kasinungalingan lang ang pinapalaganap ng mga DDS. Matatanda ang isa si Jay Sonsa sa nagpakalat ng fake news tungkol kay Paulo Tantoco at kay First Lady Liza. Kahit nagsalita na ang palasyo at naglabas ng ebidensya na peke ang police report na pinanghahawakan ng mga DDS.
Nakakahiya dahil gumawa sila ng peking police report. Naturingan journalist, mga dating spokespersons, hindi marunong mag-imbestiga ng sarili. Hindi sila nagiging journalist, kundi nagiging propagandista ng kanilang mga sinusulong na interes. Ang sinasabing police report na naipost sa Facebook ay isang malaking kasinungalingan. Kahit kayo po mismo ay maaaring mag-imbestiga sa nasabing lugar sa Beverly Hills Police Department para malaman nyo na yung nilagay sa Facebook na may guhit na color pink, kung di ako nagkakamali, ang parting yun ay dinagdag lamang. Nag-start ang mga salitang, and I quote, "and the cause of initially suspected to be drug overdose," up to the word Miro, yan po ay dinagdag lamang.
Ipinagpipilitan pa rin ni Sonsa na hindi raw fake news ang kanyang ginagawa. Pakinggan ang kanyang baluktot na rason.
Hindi na kasi pwedeng, kasi national issue ito eh. Hindi, this cannot be dismissed by just saying fake news, no? Ganun lang kasimple yun. Pagka, anong tawag dito, pag nailabas yun, di fake yung isa. Pag walang nilalabas, as it stand, yun pa rin ang information na available sa tao. Hindi kasi pwedeng sabihin lang na, hindi, fake news yan. Sabi ko nga, nung panahon namin, pag ayaw mo sumagot, sasabihin mo lang, fake news yan eh.
Dahil daw naging national issue ang ginawa nilang fake news, hindi raw ito pwedeng i-dismiss bilang fake news. Excuse me. So, you fabricate fake news, spread it using your DDS fake news machinery, tapos ngayon na pinatulan na ng palasyo, biglang hindi na ito fake news. Baliw ba tong galunggong na kalbong to? But really, who can blame Jay Sonsa if he's being paid 1 million pesos a month by China-linked SMNI as a so-called communications consultant, aka highly paid fake news peddler?
Are you receiving any monetary benefits from SMNI?
Are you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And would you be kind enough to detail to us how much you're receiving as consultant?
The record would speak for itself, Mr. Chairman. We will submit the record.
Okay. Can you just tell us, since there's a record, just tell us.
a sizable amount, Mr. Chairman.
Which is
This is $1 million.
how much
$1 million
per
per month.
per month?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So
For 1 milyong piso kada buwan, of course, ibebenta ni Jay Sonsa ang kaluluwa niya. Dati na nga siyang naaresto for estafa at illegal recruitment. Fraudster na, fake news pusher pa. Yan ang idol ng mga DDS.